Chapter 1, Lesson 7, we're going to be solving equations, at least in the beginning, one step, not too complicated. Number 23, what did we do from this first equation to end up with the second equation? Remember, in solving equations, if we do something to one side of the balanced beam, we have to do it to the other side. If we multiply on one side, we better multiply on the other. If we divide on one side, we better divide on the other. If we add on one side or subtract on one side, we better do exactly the same thing to the other side as well. So let's take a look at r divided by 4 is equal to 6, and hopefully we'll end up with r is equal to 4. I think perhaps if we ended up with just an r by itself, we somehow magically got rid of this denominator of 4. What we could do is we could multiply both sides by 4. So we have r over 4 times 4, and we're going to multiply this side by 4 because we had multiplied this side by 4, multiply this side by 4. 4 times r is 4r divided by 4 is equal to 24. 4r divided by 4, I think we can cancel out the 4, so this is 1 over 1. We end up with our equation, r is equal to 24. So what we did in example 23, homework problem 23, was we multiplied both sides by 4, and we ended up with our equation, r is equal to 24. What we do on one side, we do on the other side. Number 33, let's simplify and see what we can come up with. It said do it mentally. I think we do 20x take away 6x, I think is 14x, is equal to 7. We just subtracted 20 take away 6, 14x is equal to 7. If we wanted to solve this equation, we could divide both sides by 14. We would end up with 14 divided by 14 is 1 over 1. 1 times x is x. X divided by 1 is just plain old x. So x over 1 is equal to 7 over 14. We can rewrite that as x is equal to 7/14. And you know that 7/14 is the same as 1/2. So our final answer turns out to be x is equal to 1/2. That's it for today.